Hey everyone! In this video, we've picked the best dust collection systems specifically for small shops. Now, there are tons of types out there. Some are huge stationary units for big factories, others are just simple shop vacs for quick cleanups. But today, we're focusing on those perfect middle ground systems that give you powerful dust control without taking up a ton of space or breaking the bank. Dust collection needs can really vary depending on what kind of work you do, whether it's woodworking, metalworking, or general workshop cleanup. So we made sure to include options that fit different setups and priorities. The right dust collector can make your work cleaner, safer, and more efficient. And we're here to help you find the one that fits your specific needs. Let's dive in. At number 5. The DeWalt. This model is not just a typical dust collector. It's a wet-dry vacuum that combines versatility and power, which makes it an excellent all-around cleanup tool for a small shop. With a 15-amp motor generating about 155 cubic feet per minute of suction, it provides enough power for everyday dust and debris, but also handles wet messes like spilled liquids or glue drips. This dual functionality is a big advantage if your workspace deals with a variety of materials, not just dry dust. The automatic filter cleaning system is a standout feature because it pulses every 30 seconds to shake dust off the filter, reducing clogging and maintaining strong suction without needing you to stop and clean it manually. This saves time and keeps your workflow smooth, which is important if you work on longer projects. The HEPA-grade filter meets EPA standards, making it a smart choice for people concerned about air quality. If you have allergies or want to minimize harmful fine dust, this feature adds real value. Although it weighs around 44 pounds, the sturdy wheels and telescoping handle make it manageable to move around, whether in your shop or to job sites. Its universal hose connector swivels, allowing easy connection to various tools and reducing hose kinking, which improves convenience. The only caveat is that it's a bit bulkier than some dust collectors, so it may take up more floor space. Overall, it's perfect for users who want a multi-purpose, powerful vacuum that keeps the air clean and handles different debris types with minimal maintenance. Coming at number 4, the Jet Vortex Conius, built for small workshops where continuous, heavy-duty dust collection is needed. Its 1.5 horsepower motor runs on either 115 or 230 volts, making it adaptable for different power setups. The defining feature is the Vortex cone inside, which spins dust and chips to separate them before reaching the filter bag. This reduces clogging and ensures the system maintains strong suction for longer periods, which is critical for users running larger machinery or working with lots of dust daily. The filter bag captures particles down to 5 microns, efficiently reducing airborne dust. Because the motor is permanently lubricated and totally enclosed, it's designed for continuous operation without overheating or frequent maintenance. A must-have for professional or serious hobbyist workshops. It also includes 4 casters for easy mobility around your shop, which is handy if your workflow requires moving the collector between machines. The quick connect elastic band on the bags makes swapping or emptying bags fast and clean, minimizing downtime. However, it's larger and heavier than entry-level units, so it requires dedicated space and some effort to move. This model suits users who need a robust, reliable dust collection system that can handle heavy workloads and maintain efficiency over long hours. Our third pick includes the Powertec DC5371C is an excellent choice for those with limited floor space who still demand effective dust collection and air quality. Its wall-mounted design means it doesn't take up floor room, which is a huge benefit in small shops or garages. The 1-horsepower induction motor offers 560 cubic feet per minute of airflow, sufficient for most woodworking tools found in a small professional or hobbyist workshop. The 1-micron filter bag is designed to capture very fine dust particles, which improves air quality significantly, a key factor for people working indoors and concerned about long-term health effects of dust exposure. The bag also has a clear window, letting you visually monitor when it needs emptying, and a zipper at the bottom for easy mess-free disposal. This reduces the hassle and cleanup time, which busy shop owners appreciate. The unit has a 4-inch inlet port compatible with most hoses, so hooking it up to different tools is straightforward. On the downside, it is noisier than some competitors, so if noise is a big concern, that's worth considering. The sturdy build means it's reliable and built to last, so if you want an efficient, space-saving dust collector with good filtration, this model fits perfectly. At number 2, Shop Fox W1826 is another wall-mounted option designed to save space while offering solid dust control for small to medium workshops. It has a 1-horsepower motor that can operate on either 120 or 240 volts, delivering around 537 cubic feet per minute of airflow. This makes it capable enough for a range of woodworking tools without taking up floor space. The 2.5-micron filter bag has a generous capacity of about 2 cubic feet, and its design includes a clear window so you can easily gauge how full the bag is. A bottom zipper enables quick and clean emptying, reducing mess and downtime. The single 4-inch intake hole fits most hoses, so connecting to different machines is hassle-free. With the inflated bag standing at about 44 inches tall, it's visible but doesn't dominate your workspace. This unit balances good filtration, decent capacity, and ease of maintenance, making it popular among woodworkers who want a dependable wall-mounted collector that keeps dust under control without taking much space. It's a great fit for shops that need moderate dust collection power with convenient features for everyday use. Finally, and the number 1 on our list, is the Wendust Collectoris, the most budget-friendly option, but still surprisingly effective for its price. It has a 5.7-amp brushed motor that drives a 6-inch impeller, pushing up to 60 cubic feet per minute of airflow, which is impressive for a compact and lightweight, about 17 pounds design. This makes it highly portable and easy to store. Plus, it comes with lockable swivel casters and an optional wall mount, giving you flexibility depending on your shop layout. The 12-gallon 5-micron zippered collection bag is roomy enough to hold a fair amount of dust before needing emptying, which helps reduce interruptions during work. The 4-inch dust port fits most common woodworking tools, so connecting hoses is straightforward. While it's more basic in terms of motor power compared to heavier-duty units, it offers quiet, economical operation, making it suitable for hobbyists or beginners who want reliable dust collection without spending a lot. Some users note that it can clog faster with very fine dust or heavy use, so it's best for lighter workloads. Overall, this model is ideal if you want a compact, affordable dust collector that's easy to move and store, perfect for small, personal shops or light woodworking tasks. In summary, if you need versatile cleanup and HEPA filtration with wet-dry ability, DeWalt D12 is the go-to. For heavy, continuous use and excellent chip separation, Jet's Vortex cone is unbeatable. If floor space is tight but you want high filtration and easy maintenance, Powertec's wall mount excels. Shop Fox W1826 offers solid performance with easy dust monitoring in a compact wall-mounted form. And if you want something lightweight, budget-friendly, and portable for light to moderate use, Wen DC3401 fits the bill perfectly. Your choice depends on your workshop size, dust volume, and whether you prioritize portability, filtration quality, or heavy-duty performance.